I'm at the summit of Santa Ana Volcano, Volcano Santa Ana, also known as Volcano Ilamatepec. Standing at 2,381 meters, this is the highest point in El Salvador. And below me is the crater lake. You can see that it has active sulfurous fumarolic degassing, both subaqueous in the lake, and you can actually see some active fumaroles on the sides. The lake stands at around 57 to 60 degrees Celsius with a pH of about 1. It's basically a pool of sulfuric acid that will eat you alive. Behind me is Izalco. The Izalco cinder cone was known as the lighthouse. It is touted as the youngest volcano in Central America, or at least El Salvador anyway. It is a parasitic cone on the periphery of Santa Ana Volcano. It started erupting around 1770 and erupted for almost 200 years before it quit and stopped activity in about 1966. It is a cinder cone, a beautiful specimen of a cinder cone produced from Strombolian eruptions, similar to what you would see in El Fuego. Izalco. Off in the distance, we can see Lake Coatepeque, and that is also a crater lake